Another big story tonight, a Meridian man accused of murdering another man at the Boise Depot appears in court. That Wednesday night shooting left a 21-year-old Boise man dead. Lauren Johnson is live at the depot with the very latest.
Michelle, first off, the shooting happened here at the Boise Depot last night near 9 p.m. And today in court, 24-year-old Brandon Barr, accused of murder of the first degree, was denied any bond. Take a look.
Count 1 charges you with murder, first degree, murder in the first degree. The penalty or punishment for that would be a maximum of the death penalty and/or life in prison.
24-year-old Brandon Barr made his first court appearance today after being arrested early Thursday morning at a residence in Meridian, accused of shooting 21-year-old Zachariah Neil Peterson at the Boise Depot around 9 p.m. Peterson was taken to St. Alphonsus in Boise and soon after died of his injuries.
That'll be the order of the court, that you'll be held without bond pending further proceedings. Any questions?
Your Honor, we would like to ask the court to consider setting at least some bail in this case because my client is entitled to that under Idaho Code 19-2903.
My intention is to order the defendant to be held without bond at the present time. I think under the circumstances, assess public safety concerns as well as flight risk.
Police were called to the Boise Depot after reports of shots fired just before 9 p.m. and found Peterson shot in the chest. Witnesses say they saw two men arguing before the shooting. Now, Barr faces charges of first-degree murder, aggravated assault, grand theft, and use of a deadly weapon.
Your Honor, I've had occasion to meet with Mr. Barr previously, and he's advised he would like to ask the court to appoint the public defender's office.
Investigators say that it does appear the two men knew each other and that there was a motive, although they have not said what that motive is. Now, I did just speak to a friend of the victim, a friend of Zach Peterson's. Here's what he had to say about his friend.
Yeah, he did change my life in a kind of a way, you know. I mean, I was a troubled kid a couple years ago, and, you know, he sat me down and almost kind of put me in check, you know what I mean? Told me what was really going down and told me, you know, you need to get your act together and stay out of trouble. So, I mean, he was always there for me no matter what it was, you know, even if I needed a place to stay, he always had me, so.
There's going to be a candlelight vigil tonight at 8 o'clock for Zach Peterson, the victim, and Skylar, who you just saw there talking, says that he does plan to be at that vigil along with many others tonight. We're going to continue bringing you updates on this investigation as they come. Live at the Boise Depot, Lauren Johnson, 6 on your side.
Thanks, Lauren. Appreciate that.